Hi, I'm Wendy Gardner. If you want to add numbers or letters to your garments, use these easy iron-ons. If you want to add personalized details to a t-shirt, such as iron-on letters or numbers, these are just perfect. So these numbers are actually printed right side up, so very easy to apply. They are on a film backing, and you just position them where you want them. Now, I like to cover them with a press cloth because you need to press them for at least 30 seconds. And I find this sheer pressing cloth the best because, of course, you can see through it. It'll protect both the letters and your t-shirt. Having covered the letters with my press cloth, which I can see through, hence I like this sheer one, I'm going to put on a dry, medium temperature iron and keep it moving all the time and press for at least 30 seconds. This is why obviously having the press cloth is really useful. These numbers and letters actually come in different sizes and different colours, so there's lots of choices and you can match or contrast your t-shirt just as you wish. Once you've finished pressing, take off the press cloth and then allow to cool for 15 to 20 seconds. The film is a little hot, so be careful when touching it. Once cooled, you can remove the film backing, take it away slowly just to make sure that the number has transferred. If any part of it hasn't, you just replace the film and iron for a little bit longer. Now, all these instructions are on the back of the packaging. I hope you've enjoyed that video clip. There are plenty more Hemline videos on youtube.com/Hemline International. And also, most of the products we've shown have extra colours or extra sizes. So to see more, go to www.hemline.com.